How to make your computer super faster. Dear friends, today I am going to teach you about how to make your computer super faster. For this you have to use some of the steps I am going to show you today. Step 1, you open RON, type temp and select all folder and files and delete unnecessary files. Without delay, let's start the video, friends. Go to start, type RUN RON and click on the RON. Type temp. You see this size of folder. Select this all whatever you see in the folder. Select all and delete permanently, like this. You do this, delete all file and folders. Some of the files may not delete because they are the system files which cannot be deleted. They are needed for the computer. You should not delete them. Also, you should not forcefully delete them. You have not to do force. Leave this. I have recently deleted these all files. That is why only these four files are remain which cannot be deleted. We should not force also. Now next step, you go to the RON again and type temp to site like percentage. Go to the RON again, RUN RON, and type percentage as a to site, and temp at the middle. You see this kinds of file, and you select these all. Select all again, delete permanently. Click on OK. These are unnecessary files which have been deleted now, and I told you some of the files may not delete because they are the system files which are running background and they are needed also, so we should not force to delete them also. Then after you go for the step 3, type preface, select all and delete unnecessary files. So when you type preface in the RON, you will see there also unnecessary files open. Preface. Click on OK. You see these unnecessary files. Same like you select these all and delete permanently. Delete. Click on OK. You can see some of the files has not been deleted. I told you already about why this file has not been deleted. Go back and go for the step 4. Open my computer, your either my PC also. In some of the computers it used to be my computer name, or in some of computer your PC if this is the laptop or you can change this name also as your wish. Open your computer disk. Open properties of local disks, 1 by 1 C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, how much disks you have, and delete all unnecessary files from drive. I'm going to show you now step 4. Dear friends, see step 4. I'm going to show you the step 4. Okay, step 3. Till step 3 we have already done, completed. Now I'm going to show you step 4 now. Till step 3 also my computers became more refreshed, many more refresh. It is now being more faster, even though I want to make my computer very faster, super faster. So we have to do step 4, 5, 6 also. Step 4, open my computer. I have PC here, this PC. Okay, your PC or this PC I told. Click on right click here. Sorry, don't right click, already we have got these 3 disks. Click right click here, go to the property, disk clean off. Yes, here is disk clean off and clean. Delete these unnecessary files permanently. Okay, delete this unnecessary file permanently. I have done this for local disk E. Now for local disk D, same like disk clean off, delete files. Okay, it takes a little bit times. The more files, the more longer time it takes. I have few files only, corrupted files, so it has been taken, so it takes few time only. Now for local disk C, It might take more time because local disk C have um, it has more crafted file. You can see here, as I have told. Go to OK, delete files. It may take little bit time. Wait for it, give it time, don't cancel it. Yes, then go to OK. This is the fourth step we have done. Now we go for step 5. Step 5, open property of local disk C, local disk D, and local disk E. How much disk you have, and go to the tools, click on optimize, click on analyze one by one drive. Means you have to first of all open the property of local disk C, and then go to the tools, go to optimize, click on optimize. Then after you have to click in analyze the drive one by one. All the drives, whatever you have in your computer, will be display after you click on the optimize. Then after completion of analyze, click on optimize by one drive. It takes time, you have to wait for it. Let's go for step 5 now. Dear friends, click on local disk D, properties. Then after you go for tools, you go for optimize. You can see here all 3 drives has been opened. If you have a 4 and more than 4, 3 and more than 3, only 2 also drive in your computer, it shows these all here. Let's start from E. As your wish, you can start from C also, no problem. Let's analyze these all. You can do all these at once. Analyze, this is also analyze this. These are analyzed very quickly because I have just right now deleted these all unnecessary files. System D and system E, I mean drive D and drive E, they don't have any kinds of crafted files. System C also has been taken very few time because because right now we have refreshed this system C also. Let's go for analyze now. Analyze system C, drive D also, drive E also. Okay, yes, you can see here 16% defragmented. It is in the process, under the process. It's going on optimize. This is also to be optimized. Under the process, you can see here D and E are being very faster, and C, it takes time because all the system files are stored in the C drive, and there may be many more corrupted files. Some of the system files like exe extension, TIP extension, and many more other extension also, they are supposed to be the crafted file, but they are needed for the system. So computer system D confused for these also. It checks clearly. It takes time. We have to give this time. We have to wait for it when it will be completed. It is now just 62%. It is supposed to be 100%, then it will be completed. It's going on. If your computer is very hang, if your computer is very slow, it takes very long time. But if your computer is faster, it takes just about 4 and 5 minutes. Within 4 and 5 minutes it completed. Okay, dear friends, it is about 75% now. After completion of this step, I think this is step, which step is this? This is the step of 5, I think. Yeah, this is step 5, maybe this is step 5, I think so. Now we have to go for step 6 after completion of this. Let's step 6 to be completed. It is to be completed. It has been completed or not? I think it is going to complete. Yeah, it is going to be completed. Okay, we have to wait for it, dear friends. It's 10% now. How do you know that my computer is okay? After the analyze your computer, it is to be shown like 0% fragmented. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. It is to be shown like this. Then your computer is okay. It is refreshed. It is faster now. You can think about this. Otherwise, if it is not okay, you have to do again optimize. Now it is 50%, dear friends. It is going to be, oh, it's faster now. Oh, 2 consider 0%, 2%. Okay, wait for it. You have to obviously wait for it. Let's see the sixth step. In the sixth step, you have to right click on your PC. Where you have to right click on your PC or my computer, okay, and open the property of your computer. Open the property of your computer, click on advanced system setting, and you can see there performance setting, and click on the performance setting and click on the best performance and click on apply button and click on OK at the last. Then restart your computer. You will see your computer now. Your computer does not only run but it's fly. It is my promise to your friends. Okay, and let's see the step 5 have been completed or not. Oh yeah, it is okay now. Yeah, step 5 also completed. Hard disk and drive C also okay, D also okay, and E also okay, dear friends. Now close this. Let's go for step 6. Step 6, click on your computer or my computer. Click on your computer, my computer, go to the properties. Sorry, these properties of this item are not available. What happens here? Let's exit this again. Maybe it is used somewhere. Let's go again. Check this once again. Oh, this is, there is my PC. This is different. Go there, go to the properties, go to the advanced system setting, dear friends, and go to the performance setting. This is performance and this performance setting is here. Click on the performance setting. You can see here 4 option. Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Means your Windows, your computer choose itself what is best for your computers. So you cannot specify yourself. This is adjust for best performance, best appearance. Sorry, that means your folders, your files, your videos, your photos and other things appear in the best quality in this option. Adjust best for performance. Best performance. Now adjust for best performance means it gives the very best performance when you keep your computer in this option. Adjust best performance. I'm not going to describe now. Custom custom means you can choose yourself customizedly, and this adjust for best performance. Click here, adjust for best performance, and apply and click. Dear friends, when you do this, your computer not only run but it's flies. Adjust for best performance. I'm going to show you here. Okay, I'm writing okay here. Okay, dear friends. Okay, see how fast this is. This is being very fast now, dear friends. Now your computer does not only run but it flies. It is my promise. But this setting may change, decreasing the resolution effect, but it does not harm your computer. Like this it a little bit resolution have been decreases, you can see, but it doesn't harm the computer. Please, dear friends, if you like my video, please like, comment and share my video. Share to your friends also. If you got knowledge, give this knowledge to your friends also, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new videos. Thank you everyone.
face.